Hello everybody, good morning, good evening, and good night. Well, it's nighttime in my area right now. My mom just buy me, it's called Max Egg Action Ice Cream Truck. She just brought this at ShopRite. You could buy it at other stores. This toy is available at ShopRite, Five Below. I found this at the Five Below in Greenberg. The Stamford, Connecticut doesn't sell this. They only sell the cupcake truck, I think. Here's the details. Here's the back. We got the ice cream truck. I was supposed to purchase a cupcake truck, and when I was at Stamford and one in Greenberg, but I couldn't buy the cupcake truck because we just buy the cinnamon roll plush from Five Below, which is the character from the Hello Kitty and Friends. But here's the truck. I was supposed to, my mom said if I want to open this for Christmas, but unfortunately we're just going to open it early since I'm a little bored. My mom just found it at ShopRite. You can buy this at ShopRite or maybe Five Below. Maybe sometimes they sell this at Target or Walmart and other local stores. Sorry my lens aren't good, but you might have to ignore it for now on. Okay, everybody. Sorry, it's just my charger. It has 3 sound effects and 1 music. This ice cream truck plays Pop Goes the Weasel. We're about to see any second. Here we have this one, which is the engine starting up. This one, ice cream machine sound effect and music. This ice cream truck plays Pop Goes the Weasel. Let's see what it does. Pretty cool. Alright, now it's time to open this up. We'll get Elinor and Fluttershy any second. It's almost 2 a.m. Unfortunately, we won't able to go to Macy's Thanksgiving Parade in person this year because of the on the news says that bags are not allowed in bags, no umbrellas allowed in this location, including the VIP and the free areas, including the 6th Avenue where Chick-fil-A is that I went back in 2023. We're gonna go watch on the TV. And everybody, my memory storage is now full, so I might have to delete some old photos. But once again, NBC is not working on the network app, which is now Fubo TV. Alright, we're almost opening the ice cream truck. I might have to download the app or something. Almost there. I'll pause the camera. Alright, now I finished opening it. It's pulled back, I think. And it's motorized. And here comes the ice cream truck. Here we go. Pinkie Pie. An ice cream truck's coming. Yes! Alright. Yay, can't wait to get ice cream. Oh, you can't. Alright, you could cross. Hey, ice cream. Can I get ice cream? I like strawberry, just like me. Pinkie Pie. Okay, that'll be $10. Here you go. Thank you. Alright, better get to work. Alright. Huh, it's a red light. You gotta wait till it's green. Okay. Let's go. Alright, so everybody, I hope you like my ice cream truck toy from Max and X. Sorry, don't remember what's the name. Alright, hope you like it. That's it. Wait for me, ice cream. Elinor and Fluttershy, what do you think about my ice cream truck toy? What do you think? It's nice. Alright, I hope you like this toy review. So, that's it.